Yes.
that you were picked.
Yeah.
So your reaction to that, sir?
So, and you're just asking now that he said they should provide evidence of meeting with us. Did he provide the receipt to show that I was paid? No, don't worry about those things. You know, when people get to this point, things get very petty, you understand? It's not new. This allegation was actually constructed by Reno Omokri in 2015, 2016. Where is Reno Omokri today? The people who brought Buhari to power worked with him for 8 years. All the people who said they hate Buhari, they are working with them now. So if Buhari were to be alive, he would be in ADC. And all these people will go and join the ADC and tell you that they want to drive Tinubu away with Buhari. So don't let all these hypocrites keep deceiving you. You know, if anybody collected money from them, when I was arrested in 2019, they would have put the receipt out. Did the IGP of Gbetoku not collect all my account numbers? NFIU investigated me. They submitted the application. They charged me for treason, money laundering. They now found out that I was using that. In fact, the judge was upset. Yes, they said I went to Dubai to collect money. We found out I've never been to Dubai before. The day I was granted bail, the judge said I should go and deposit 100 million naira. When we went and varied the bail and told the judge Sowore doesn't have, he said, how can Sowore not have 100 million naira with all the fame and popularity? Some people, and I mean this, just feel like you can't be popular without being fraudulent. And that you can't, they'll be wondering, how do you survive when you could be making money and you are not a contractor, we don't see you in the meetings where they are sharing dollars. So in an attempt to explain away how I live my Spartan life, they just make up stories. But don't worry about that. Don't worry about you should worry about these unprincipled people who jump from political party to political party every day.
Sir,
yes.
Bobby said the North is Nigeria's greatest asset. What can you say about it?
Which part of Nigeria is not Nigeria's asset? Every part of Nigeria is Nigeria's asset. If you go to the south, don't we have oil there? You go to North Central, they have lithium. Lithium is one of the greatest assets the country can have at this time. That's North Central, Nasarawa. If you go to the north, yes, we can turn the north to the assets, the greatest asset, but every Nigeria can be turned into the greatest assets. Every inch of Nigeria has, but Obi wants to belatedly start pleasing the north. Is it not the same Obi that put northerners inside bus and repatriated them to the north? That time he forgot that the north is the asset of Nigeria. Don't let the hypocrite be deceiving you. Did he not pack northerners and put them inside the vehicle, northern beggars, and ask them to be repatriated within Nigeria? Did Fashola not also do it? But if they want to run for office, they are just looking for northern votes. They start misyanning. You know, how many schools did he build in the north when he was governor? I'm not saying it's his duty. The only thing that he did for the north when he was governor of Anambra State for 8 years was to repatriate northern beggars back to the north. So, but to answer his question, I agree with him. The north is a great asset. The south is a great asset. The north central, southwest, everywhere is a great asset in the country. The country is just waiting for leadership. You'll be surprised that the north, south, everywhere will be churning out prosperity.
And lastly, sir, he doesn't mind changing parties 20 times.
There are 21 parties left, so he has only done maybe 5. So there's still like